Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it'll all turn around. Because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more wars, and our children will play one day.
Stop with the violence, down with the hate.
One day we'll all be free and proud to be under the same song, singing songs of freedom like why-oh. One day, why-oh. One day, why-oh. All my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for